DJ Pink, this representing for Trabass TV now. And this week, weekly preview.
Today for sure you were going last week. Video them are funny and one not funny.
Basically we tell you everything we're going through the week. Things are funny, things are not. Basically you can right now click in the palm of my hand right so. Yeah. Click that to watch a video will go Friday. But I have A team. I made a mistake and say A team. It's A team. Click right here to watch the video right now. Edited by me. Yeah, Andrew Trabass. But there was a little twitch in the video, so forgive me for that. Alright? Alright, today now we're gonna talk about the Chekkazz Drop thing. I watch a video when them there one party and them do. I don't know which one I Chekkazz them, but them do stay clear. And when he do the stay clear, him kinda him drop. Him a big dancer. I think him be kinda like a frost little bit, but yo, the shit funny. Sorry but the shit funny, yo, pre this. I don't know say I Chekkazz myself, I say Chekkazz and academic, but the video I did that for you, yo, cause the thing funny. Big up the whole of Chekkazz Juss Boss, that song they shot. One of the artists dance. But this was so funny. Just drop. Again, I have a new music video come out. I'm gonna remix the song. So I work on the song already. It's up on my YouTube page if you want to check it out. You can check out that. You don't know the video is coming Monday, so you can look out for that too.